Hi everyone, today you will learn how to quickly split your screen vertically and horizontally in DaVinci Resolve. To begin with, here I have 3 videos added to Media Pool. First of all, we have to add all these 3 videos to the timeline and stack them one above the other. So this is video 1, video 2, and our video 3. Now all these 3 videos are stacked up like this, one above the other into different tracks. Next, navigate to Effects, and in the search bar, type in and find this effect called Video Collage. Now drag and drop this effect on your video here at the top, at video track 3. Then navigate to Inspector, and under Effects, open Workflow, and choose Create Tile. Then navigate to Layout, and choose how you want to split the screen. So if you want to split screen into 3 columns, then set 3 columns and 1 row. So once we define that, we have to navigate here to margins and spacing, adjust left-right margins to 0, top-bottom margins to 0, horizontal spacing 0, and vertical spacing 0. Okay? Now, if you don't want to have these little rounded corners as well, set the rounding to 0 as well. So this clip now takes up exactly a third of this screen. Next, we want to copy these same settings quickly onto the next 2 videos. And to do that, just right-click on this video here, copy. Let's go to this next video on track 2, right-click, paste attributes. Then click here once on all video attributes. It selects all these settings, click apply. And then when you select this video in track 2, if you go to Inspector, Effects, Tiles, Active Tile, open this dropdown and now choose the position Tile 2. So basically we copied all settings from this first video and just chose a different tile. So this is Tile 1. This is Tile 2, and now we need to copy settings to this third video and choose it as Tile 3. Let's go ahead and do that. Right click on this video on track 2, copy, select this video on track 1 now, right click, paste attributes, again select all video attributes, click apply, then back to Effects, Tiles, Active Tile, and choose Tile 3. And that's it. Now if I replay these clips, this is our split screen vertically in DaVinci. Now if you want to flip the positions of any of these videos, all you have to do is, let's say I want to have this video on this side and then this video on that side. All we have to do is just select this video in track 3, which is our first video here, go to Tiles, and choose, instead of Tile 1, Tile 3. And then this video at the bottom here, we have to choose from Tile 3 to Tile 1. And that's it. This is how you flip positions of these videos. Now, if you wanted to split the screen horizontally, all you had to do is just change the settings under globals from columns, set to 1 column, 3 rows, and then just do the same across the board. 1 column, 3 rows, and then the last one again, 1 column, 3 rows. Now you may have to adjust the tiles to make sure all videos are visible. So if this is Tile 1, this is Tile 2, this has to be Tile 3. And that's how you split them horizontally. So I hope this was useful, guys. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.